It's a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. The daily grind, a trip across country, challenging terrain. Through it all, this mid-size truck provides an SUV plush ride quality with active noise cancellation, push-button start, Bluetooth, and rear privacy glass. You are clearly in control with the 3.5-liter V6 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, Eco Assist system, Hill Start Assist, Vehicle Stability Assist with traction control, and a multi-angle rear-view camera. The dual-action tailgate, unobtrusive wheel wells, textured composite polymer bed that's resistant to wear and tear, an in-bed trunk with a drain plug, and integrated tow hitch give you the ability to work hard and play harder. When it comes to comfort and capability, this Honda works hard for you. Come in for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.